All right, so to do a volume of a sphere, something that has things like this, and using the graphing calculator on Desmos, once they have that up, they can literally just go here, and if they notice the little keyboard symbol down here, they can click on that, and they can go ahead and use it's similar to how they use the calculator on campus. I just use my keyboard and put the parentheses. They can type the number 4, put the slash, and it'll automatically drop things down for them. They can just arrow over and then click the pi button, and then they can go ahead and put their 9. They could put parentheses if they want. And then since it's not going to be squared, we need to put some other exponent. We're going to use that key, and then they can type into the third power. And what that does is essentially just calculate it for them. Nothing will come up on the graph, of course, since it's not the equation of a line, but they'll at least be able to get their answer to volume of the sphere and not have to download the software.